How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I have a really interesting crypto to talk to you about today. This one I think is going to do really well into the future. A lot of people are saying it's a possible 100x on investment. I want to cover it here today. It's got a great use case, which I'm really excited about, and it's in a sector of investments that is growing like crazy. So if you've heard about NFTs, this is a real world coin that can help you buy, exchange, sell NFTs. It gives you real world rewards for doing so and holding onto the coin. Also, it's coming out at a pretty low market cap, and it is backed by two huge backers. One is Binance, the largest crypto exchange out there, and one is Mr. Beast. So if you haven't heard about Mr. Beast, he's one of the largest YouTubers in the world, has 60 million subscribers or something like that, gives away hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars, every single video, it seems like. So he has invested in this along with Binance, and you can buy it tomorrow. Now, I do plan on buying this tomorrow, and I'll explain how I'm going to buy it and how I think is the best way to buy it towards the end with the price action that we're going to see. So definitely stay through to the end for that. Now, I will say too, a lot of people have been asking me how to buy Safemoon, and I think a lot of people will ask me how to buy this too. And in my last Safemoon video, I actually said it in the video that I don't want to go through and walk through it in one of my videos because there's already a great version already that my brother-in-law just made on how to do this, and I linked underneath the video. So I'll link to it at the bottom of this video too, so you guys can check it out. So we're going to get right into it. If you guys don't mind though, hitting the like button, I really appreciate that. Hit subscribe if you haven't done that already. I've started to talk about more altcoins and more cryptocurrencies on the channel in general. And I will say, a lot of people give me a hard time because of the fact that these are small coins and this is speculative investing. Some people come after me saying that I'm taking money from these coins or something like that and I'm just pumping the price. No, I don't have any ownership interest in this coin or anything like that at this point, but it is a really interesting investment, and in the end, picking out good investments is going to be what grows this channel anyways. So I don't know why someone would think I'm that short-sighted to take a paid sponsorship and not disclose it. So hitting the like button definitely helps and pushes this message to more people. Also, there is a link down there to Webull in case you want some free stocks, deposit $100, and a link down there to BlockFi in case you want interest rate on your cryptocurrency. So let's take a look at it. It's called Refinable, and the token is FINE. Invested by Mr. Beast, who's an American YouTuber, and then Binance, the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange. They also have some other partners here too, the Definitive NFT Hub. So if you haven't heard about NFTs or non-fungible tokens, they've blown up recently with some selling for $60 million. They're basically digital art or digital representations of other types of things. I mean, it can be more than just art. I don't want to pigeonhole it or anything like that, or bottleneck it. I know some people would say no, it can be a ton of different stuff. So it says invested by Binance and Mr. Beast, Refinable is the first major NFT marketplace on BSC, empowering both individual creators and beloved brands to easily and affordably create, discover, trade, leverage NFTs. Supporting all communities in engaging with NFTs is Refinable's mission, and we look forward to empowering the next generation. So I personally tried to do this, right? I was going to create an NFT. I went on a website. I was trying to figure it out. It's very difficult at this point. So if they can make this a really easy platform to use, that's going to be huge. You can create your own NFTs. You can discover and get discovered, trade and share with anyone, leverage the full potential of NFTs. Supercharge your platform experience by earning and staking your FINE tokens. So this is where it gets interesting, the FINE tokens. Settle and fund transactions, increase distribution and royalty limits, access to exclusive sales, boost listings and exposure, discount platform commission, community voting and moderation. So look at the last four. By holding these tokens, you have access to exclusive NFT sales, right? I mean, think about if you have some big creator or some big artist that you want access to a little bit earlier, you could actually make money or save money by having these tokens. Boost listings and exposure. So maybe you say, okay, I'll give you 10,000 FINE tokens to push this out to more people. It's almost like an advertising kind of ploy or something like that, a reward. Discounted platform commission, so you don't have to pay as much if you hold this token, and community voting and moderation. You can have more votes or something maybe if you hold more tokens. Now, they have a little roadmap here going forward. Now, there's a lot on here, so we won't cover all that. token distribution. So token sale is going to be 20% right here. Community mining, 20%, 1.5% monthly. Liquidity fund, 5%. The team is getting 10%, which honestly, I don't think is bad. The initial market cap's only 900K. I expect this to go up very quickly though. Treasury fund, 35%. Reserves, 10%. So they're going to have the public sale price at 0.033 per fine. The private sale price was only 0.03. This is actually pretty good. When we look at this compared to other types of initial coin offerings, or I want to say more like in the stock world, right? These private investors usually get deep discounts compared to this. This is a 10% increase, so not very much. And honestly, it's going to blow up, I think, as soon as it's available anyways. I mean, the initial coin market cap or the initial market cap is very small. I think it's going to go up dramatically. Total token supply is 500 million, so they capped it out there. Now they lay out their team. They add all their LinkedIn profiles, which is awesome. I think that's great so that you can actually see some of the people on this team and where they've been before. So I like the fact that they have their team on here. Now they also have some advisors, and then they say that you can join their public beta. So we can actually join the waiting list for the first people to actually try this out. Now let's take a look at the next part. They actually break down why they are actually putting this off. So they've put off the IDO a couple times now, or at least a couple days now. So what happened was there were going to be some updates on PancakeSwap. It was going to cause a lot of confusion, and they actually delayed this. Now, I think this is actually really nice to see. First of all, I don't think this is a scam anyways because of the huge support from Binance and from Mr. Beast. Like, those two people have a lot of resources, or that company and the person have a lot of resources. I don't think they'd back a scam. And they're showing the fact that they're willing to put off something to make it better for the community already. So before they even come out, they're already showing that they're willing to delay something if it's going to be better for the community long term and cause less confusion. Now, this will be available on the 27th. So it says 1 p.m. UTC. So you can convert that to your time zone. And then on PancakeSwap, it's going to be at 1400 UTC or 2 p.m. UTC. So they're going to have the contact address on Twitter and then probably on their website too. So you'll have to look for that exactly because a lot of scams are out there. They're trying to get you to send it to the wrong address. Just be careful of that. Now, there is a lot of hype around this. So if you guys want to go to their Twitter, you can actually see some Ask Me Anythings on there too, which I think is really nice to see that they're already engaging with the community. Now, this is going to be really interesting to see where it goes going forward. I will probably update you on this. I just heard about this today and I did a lot of research. I wanted to take a look at it. Now, I'm not going to break down how to buy it. There are other videos that talk about that, but you can buy it on PancakeSwap. So that's going to be coming tomorrow. You can use BNB to do that. So it's going to be really interesting to see where this goes from here. It's growing and it's got a lot of steam. A lot of people are searching for it right now. A lot of people want to see what's going to happen tomorrow because of the fact that Mr. Beast is backing it. That also gives it a lot of potential in the fact that if he just mentions it at any time, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is, it could blow up the price, even TikTok. And then also with Binance supporting it too, or actually backing it, it's going to be big down the road too, in the sense that they are very credible. And it's going to be a massive marketplace, I think, for NFTs. And it's going to be a great way to reduce fees. And I think it could be another potential 100x investment. I mean, with that low market cap, we're talking really low market cap, I could see this growing to be quite the investment over time. So definitely watch this one tomorrow. If you're not going to buy it, definitely come in and pay attention to it. Now, how I'm going to invest in this is I'm going to put in about half a BNB, so about $250, maybe $300 worth at the beginning. I know this is very speculative, right? Even if it jumps up, I'm still going to put it in towards the beginning. And as time goes on, I might average more into it as time goes on. I think we could see a drop off. We've seen that in a lot of in a lot of stocks at least, and I haven't watched as many coin offerings, but a lot of stocks, there's a lot of hype. It jumps up, then it falls off, and then usually it comes back up. If it's a good stock over time, it will come back up. But I think this one has so much utility. There's a limited supply, and I think there's going to be a lot of need for this as NFTs become more and more popular. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't sue me, bro. Do your own research on this. You can check out how to, again, buy this coin down below. It's going to be a little bit different because he gives the video for PancakeSwap. I think he does it with Elongate and Safemoon, but you're just going to do it with a different coin. So there's maybe I'll make a video on it in the future how to do it. But at this point, he has the video. My brother-in-law has the video linked underneath this video. So thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out that video if you're interested. If you guys want, there are links down there to BlockFi to get an interest rate on your cryptocurrency, and Webull in case you want an exchange that is adding more cryptocurrencies but is a stock platform too. You can check that out down below. I really appreciate it. It helps out the channel. Thank you for hitting subscribe and like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.